Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 12 of the Programming Zone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of loop functions in Python. Loop functions are like the heartbeat of your code, enabling you to repeat tasks as many times as needed. Get ready to transform your Python skills from basic to brilliant. What are loop functions? Imagine you're a chef preparing a feast. You wouldn't chop each vegetable individually, instead, you'd use a knife to chop multiple times. Loop functions are like that chef's knife for your code. They allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly until a specific condition is met. Why are loop functions important? Loop functions are the workhorses of programming. They automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Imagine printing a list of numbers or checking every item in an array. Without loop functions, you'd have to write the same code over and over again. Loop functions are your secret weapon for writing concise, efficient, and scalable code. Let's see it in action. Example 1, printing numbers from 1 to 10. Imagine you want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. You can do it manually, but that's a lot of typing. Loop functions are your solution. Python. For number in range 1 to 11. Print number. This code uses the for loop to iterate over the numbers from 1 to 10 exclusive, printing each number on a new line. Bonus tip, you can also use the range function to generate negative numbers or skip numbers. Example 2, checking if a number is divisible by 3. You have a list of numbers and want to find out which ones are divisible by 3. The while loop is your perfect tool for this task. Number equals 15. While number 0. If number %3 equals 0. Print f number is divisible by 3. Number dash equals 1. This code uses the while loop to check each number from 15 to 1, decrementing by 1 each time. If a number is divisible by 3. By now, you should be well versed in the world of loop functions in Python. The for loop and while loop are your essential tools for automating tasks and iterating over data. Remember, loop functions are the foundation of efficient programming, enabling you to tackle repetitive tasks with ease and unleash the power of automation. So, go forth and conquer the world of loop functions, one iteration at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding fun. So we will see you in next video where we will be learning how to use while loop functions, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow.